will hold a... Are you filming?
Yeah, you and I
We'll
keep
hold
talking.
a competition, and we all get like
a number of
four
marshmallow pieces.
marshmallow halves. So
Pieces,
2 marshmallows.
It's a number, okay.
Yeah. Okay, so I'll start and I'll put this in my mouth. Don't chew. You can't chew.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
I'll hold it.
Okay.
So you put it into your mouth without chewing.
And say the phrase.
And say the phrase.
Funny Bunny is a sweet little rabbit.
Okay.
Don't chew, don't swallow. Okay.
No.
So,
So okay, keep
Funny
it in your
Bunny
mouth.
is a sweet
little
rabbit.
So wait.
Okay.
I'll go first and then
Then you.
Okay.
you.
And then
And
back
then
to.
I'll take my second piece and put it. So
You cram it in your mouth.
Each piece
Yeah,
that
it has
you
to be
put,
in
you
your mouth.
need to say
And
the
that's
phrase.
what- Yeah, and then you have to
swallow.
no, and
my
don't
God.
chew.
Okay.
No chewing.
And if you're not able to say the phrase like so we can understand it, then
Right.
you lose.
Okay.
Okay, so then you lose. Okay.
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 Here we go.
So I'll start. Funny Bunny is a sweet little rabbit.
Okay.
Don't laugh, you'll make me laugh. Don't, like...
Okay, don't chew.
Funny
Don't-
Bunny is a sweet little rabbit.
Okay.
Okay.
Your turn.
Funny Bunny is a sweet little rabbit. Okay.
I don't know who wants this. No swallowing.
Keep them in your mouth. It's important that you keep them in there.
Okay. Sorry, I made a laugh. Sorry.
Stop it, don't laugh.
Funny Bunny
Keep them in there.
is a sweet little rabbit.
Okay. Okay.
Have you ever seen The Godfather?
I can't stop.
Come on, then you will win. I'm sorry.
She's chewing now.
If I don't stop to laughing,
You know something? You know something, girls? I'm gonna stop this now.